Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Donna DeRosa, and for those of you who don't know me, I am the author of the Big Book of Mediterranean Diet Cooking and the Flexitarian Cookbook for Beginners. Today we're going to make an orzo salad. Now orzo is a tiny pasta that's shaped like rice, and it's used a lot in soups and is perfect for salads. So let's make a nice springtime orzo salad. Here are the ingredients we're adding to our orzo salad. We have some grape tomatoes, a bit of an English cucumber, a couple of scallions, and some fresh spinach. We've created a chiffonade of spinach, and we've chopped our tomatoes, cucumber, and scallion. It's all going into the mixing bowl. For our spices, we have oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Now it's time to make our vinaigrette. So in my little food processor here, I'm going to add 2 baby carrots, and I'm going to chop them up first. Next, I'm going to add 1 small shallot that I've cut into 2 and a clove of garlic. Same thing, give it a chop. Now it's time to add our wet ingredients. I have a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. I'm going to add a tiny little dribble of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and our spices. And now we're going to blend it really well. Now it's time to add our dressing and give everything a toss. Now here's our beautiful orzo salad, very colorful. Whenever I make a pasta salad, I usually make it the day before I'm going to serve it, so it has time to have all the flavors meld together and it gets a little less vinegary tasting. But there we go. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that orzo salad and you try it for yourself. I'll see you very soon. Thanks. Bye.